Welcome! If you want to add events to calendar in your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, for the first you have to go for your calendar, and you can find it right here. Tap on the cancel, and right now use this marker, add your title. In my case it will be hard reset, yeah. And as you can see, you can set right here other things like notes. You can invite people, you can change the time zone, whatever you want. If you do, just click save right here, and that's it. Here's our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.